Hello everyone, welcome back to Kids Zone. Today, we are diving into the world of superfoods with a focus on organic maca root powder. If you're looking to boost your energy, balance your hormones, and enhance your overall well-being, this video is for you. Let's get started. First off, what exactly is maca root? Maca is a plant native to the high Andes of Peru and has been used for centuries due to its medicinal properties. The root is ground into a fine powder, making it easy to add to various foods and beverages. This is the organic maca root powder we are reviewing today. It's known for its earthy taste and is packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, copper, and iron. So, what are the benefits of incorporating maca root powder into your diet? Here are the top 5. Increased energy levels. Many users report a natural boost in energy without the jitters you get from caffeine. Hormone balance. Maca can help regulate hormones, making it especially beneficial for women dealing with menopause or menstrual issues. Enhance mood. It's known to help reduce stress and improve mood. Improved sexual health. Maca has been traditionally used to boost libido and fertility. Rich in nutrients, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, it's a nutritional powerhouse. Now, let's talk about how to use maca root powder. You can add it to your smoothies, oatmeal, coffee, or even baked goods. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious maca smoothie. Simply blend all the ingredients until smooth, and you've got yourself a nutrient-packed, energizing smoothie. Let's give it a try. It's creamy, delicious, and you can barely taste the maca. It's a perfect way to start your day. Overall, organic maca root powder is a fantastic addition to any diet. It's versatile, nutritious, and offers a range of health benefits. If you're looking to enhance your energy, mood, and overall health, give it a try. If you're interested in trying organic maca root powder, check out the link in the description below to get yours today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Also, let us know in the comments how you like to use maca root powder. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.